Adding custom items to an order is a helpful way to handle unique requests, one-off services, or items that aren't currently in your inventory. Within the Clover Register app, you can do this directly from the sales screen without having to navigate back to the Inventory app. When you're in the middle of an order in the Register app, locate the Custom Item button at the top right within the Item search area. Enter the details. Input the specific dollar amount for this item. Enter an item name. Choose whether or not to add this item to your inventory using the provided checkbox. Tap Add Item. It will now appear in the current order list alongside your standard inventory items. You may also use the Custom Items button within each category to add custom items to your order.